Hey guys, it's Chris Elsis with Smart Home Air and Heat. Hopefully you're having a great day. The reason you're watching this is you probably went ahead and tapped on our repair or our service tab. I want to share a quick story with you. I think this is the perfect opportunity. I just came from a customer's house who called us out for a second opinion. Another company went out there to do repair work and told the customer that they needed a new system, that their system was condemned and it was not working. The system was only 8 years old. When I arrived, I put on our equipment that we use, and that equipment is called Job Links. It's made by Fieldpiece, and what that does, it's like an X-ray machine or an EKG machine. Once we attach it to the system, it runs through the holy internals of the system. It tells us everything that we need to know, and when we did that test, we found out that it was not a dead system. They did not need a new system, and it was actually a little $18 part that was broken. The problem that I have is over the past 6-8 months, this is probably my 5th to 6th time I've gone out to a house where another company tried to sell them a new system. On our service side, we use what they call the job links, and I'm going to post that right down here and give you the website's name to go to. So please pause this if you can and go look at that. Guys, it's $1,000 piece of equipment. That's why a lot of people don't use it. But if you have someone come to your house and they don't have job links or something close to it, if they're looking at it and they're not hooking anything up to it and telling you that the system is broken, that's like going to a doctor's and the doctor's telling you that you have 6 broken ribs without even looking at an x-ray. Please make sure that when you call a company that you know what kind of qualifications that they have, what kind of equipment they use to diagnose your equipment, and then what the cost is involved in that. Here at Smart Home Air and Heat, all of our guys are EPA trained. They're up to NATE certification trained too for the actual technical side, and we use all state-of-the-art technology. Technology has gotten to the point now where there should be no second guessing on troubleshooting. The technology helps us troubleshoot it. If companies are not using that, they're not doing the proper techniques in order to tell you what's wrong. So make sure you ask those questions. Here at Smart Home, we do it every time without question. If you need any service work done, please make sure you give us a call. We also give you a copy of all the EKG and x-ray machine that actually happens. We do not do any work that we guess. We have to make sure it's done properly, and we have to make sure we have stuff to back it up. If you need us, make sure you call us. Our phone number is going to be right below you, 407-465-7777. Make it a great day.